All right, y'all, we back with another one. Like I say in the last video, we was gonna take the meat, the groceries that we got from the church, and we was gonna come cook out. So we got the setup right here, as you can see. And right here we got another little setup. As you can see, we got the charcoal, more aluminum foil. You know, we got charcoal right there, more aluminum foil. Now I told y'all in a couple videos back, somebody stole my real portable one-man grill. All right, so I found this like tin can bucket and put some holes at the bottom. Found some more empty, look like old chicken cans, the flat ones, made like a prop-up to sit the bucket on, so that wind can get up under there and help keep that charcoal burning. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, man, survival skills, baby. 2025 and beyond. We finna turn into a beast. Let's get it. Now right here, this what we gonna make. I got some potatoes, like I showed y'all in the last video. Regular potatoes, and we got small whole onions. We got these sweet potatoes, and then we got 3 different types of meat. We got a whole young chicken. We got a little family size pack of ground beef. And we got this organic beef filet mignon. I bet they're gonna be good. Just the name, filet mignon. Then the chicken. So what I wanna do, y'all, we finna try some now. I wanna make let me come up with a name. It's gonna be called the triple meat potato dish. So we're gonna take all the meats and we're gonna try to cook it on this bucket, smoke it some kind of way. And we got some seasoning. We're gonna use this seasoning out of the ramen noodle pack. We got some vegetables. We got more vegetables. We got beets as well right here. Beets are good for the blood, I heard. We got vegetable oil. We're gonna actually use that to get the charcoal burning. But we're gonna pretty much try to cook everything together, right? So we can take some of the flavors from the meat and it can, you know, get sopped up into the potatoes and the beets and onions and give it that little extra flavor. You know what I'm saying? So let's get to it, man. Let's get to it. Okay, y'all, look here. We got the ground beef out of the pack. We got it sitting right on top of 2 potatoes and a onion. Now you have a regular potato and a sweet potato. We're gonna wrap this up, let it cook with the meat. I'm hoping the juices from the meat can like get into the potatoes and the onion to give it a, you know, some extra flavor. So we'll see. Let's wrap it up. Let's season it first though. So we got the seasoning. We're gonna use some of the ramen noodle seasoning right here. Like I say, we out here in nature, man. We trying to make it do what it do, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? And it's smoking. Yeah, let me season the meat real quick. Alright, let's get started. Right here we got some potatoes, onions. We got a whole onion, a whole sweet potato with that organic piece of beef right there. We're gonna wrap all this up together and we just gonna see how it turn out. We got the mayonnaise and the mustard on top. We just trying some, y'all. We're gonna see how these flavors hit. I had to add a little vegetable oil, you know, just so it can soften up the way it's supposed to. So let's get this tin can smoking and let's see what's happening. We got the whole small chicken right there. And then we got the you know, the triple meat potato plate. You know, that's what I call it. You know what I'm saying? So we'll see how it turn out. Let's get to it. Alright, y'all. We got everything smoking. Look how that thing smoking, y'all. Look how that little bucket smoking. Survival skills, baby. That thing smoking. Hopefully all the meat get done, because we got a good bit of charcoal inside this tin can. So this should burn for like 2.5 hours. Look at that fire. Boy, that thing look like I'm at an outside restaurant. Boy, I ain't bullshit. I'll be back in a little bit, man. Let's see if we can get this thing done. Alright, y'all. Here we go, y'all. Everything is pretty much about done. Like I say, man, as you can see, man, this little tin can smoking, bro. Once you get enough charcoal in the tin can and it get good and hot, you see how I got it set up. And then you got the rest of everything right up under there. It's smoking. We finna see what's going on with this, how it turn out. Okay. Oh my goodness, the potato soft. Look at this, y'all. This the potato, y'all. Wow. I can pinch into it. The meat pretty tender. Look how the meat breaking. Oh yeah, it's cooked good. Let's check out the onion. Look at the onion, y'all. Good and cooked. I just bite into this. I know it's seasoned good. Yeah, this thing smoking. We out here in nature. Nothing but surviving skills. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, everything turned out great. I still got the whole young chicken in there smoking. And the other stuff, but we're gonna focus on this right now. But yeah, everything turned out great. I'ma holler at y'all.